So I have a little video here showing you all what is in the back of my rig when we go to like a site survey or an install. Over here we have my favorite outdoor shielded Cat 5e cable from Shireen. This is shielded on the ends. It's also outdoor rated. Easy to put ends on. You can get Cat 6 as well. Underneath that, we have, just some miscellaneous Ethernet cables for testing links, and a PoE here, my laptop, an extra drill, some more cable, light beam. These are about $60. This is the AC Gen 2. This is what they call a CPE. This is going to go on the subscriber's house. It's pretty small. Fits in that box. You can see, which is pretty small there. And that's the prism station. That's the radio that we use for the sector antenna, where multiple clients can connect to that. Got my drill in here. And so underneath that is just more mounting hardware for these Ubiquiti J arms, which are great. They're really multi-purpose. They're about $6 when you buy them in bulk. They mount on, we usually mount like on fascia in the house there. So move that out of the way. Alright, we got here the GLI router. It's going to go in the client's home. We'll flash that there with the Althea firmware. More cable. You can never have enough small things of cable. This is more of the mounting hardware as well for the J arms. Here we got caulk, zip ties. You can never have enough zip ties. Socket, wrench, staple. This is a special low voltage staple that you can get for a staple gun for going around the Ethernet cable and stapling to the house. There, you get your electrical tape, long drill bit for going through the house itself. Just some miscellaneous tools that are handy to have. A little flashlight. This is actually just an extra crimper tool to put the ends on. Althea.org. Branded zip ties. Gotta need those. Absolutely imperative. And then an extra PoE. It's always good to have an extra one or two of these around. There. Oh, extra hose clamp here too. Just kind of some extra miscellaneous hardware stuff in there. And then right here, this is actually really handy. This is like a lithium battery pack. So we can connect up those PoEs and get signal without actually having to, plug in inside the house. Get an idea of where we want to locate the radio and aim it. So this thing's really great, and it's lightweight, small. Really like that a lot. Over here, this is kind of our networking bag here. This is the cable tester that we have for testing the cable and cable ends. We use these pass-through shielded cable ends that we really like a lot. They're easy to use. They're a little more expensive, but they're shielded. They work great on the cable. You can get them done a lot less time, which, time is money. So we got socket wrenches, just some miscellaneous tools. This is for actually stripping the wire back when you terminate the ends on the Ethernet cable. I think that's pretty much about it. Oh, of course. More zip ties. These ones, of course, Althea.org. And then I think we're ready to go install.